Hi, welcome to NCRT CBSE Class 6 History, Chapter 4 in the Earliest Cities. And in this video, we will learn every point in the section A Closer Look Harappan Towns in Gujarat, Dholavira. Question 1. The city of Dash was located on Khadir Bet. The options are Kalibangan, Dholavira, Lothal, Surkotada. Your time to choose. And the answer is Dholavira. So, the city of Dholavira was located on Khadir Bet. Next question. The city of Dholavira was located on Dash. The options are Khadir Bet, a mound, mountains, a river. Your time to choose. And the answer is Khadir Bet. So, the city of Dholavira was located on Khadir Bet. Next question. Bet is also spelled as Dash. The options are Bet, Bhet, Bet, Bejut. Your time to choose. And the answer is Bet. So Bet is also spelled as B-E-T, Bet. Next question. The city of Dholavira was located on Khadir Bet in Dash. The options are the Ran of Kutch, Gujarat, the plains, the mountains. Your time to choose. And the answer is the Ran of Kutch. So, the city of Dholavira was located on Khadir Bet in the Ran of Kutch. Question 5. In the Ran of Kutch, there was Dash. The options are fresh water, fertile soil, fresh water and fertile soil, underground water. Your time to choose. And the answer is fresh water and fertile soil. So, in the Ran of Kutch, there was fresh water and fertile soil. Next question 6. Unlike Harappan cities, which were divided into two parts, Dholavira was divided into Dash. The options are 1 part, 3 parts, 4 parts, 5 parts. Your time to choose. And the answer is 3 parts. So, unlike Harappan cities, which were divided into 2 parts, Dholavira was divided into 3 parts. Next question. Each part of Dholavira was surrounded with Dash. The options are massive stone walls, massive mud walls, interconnected walls, small stone walls. Your time to choose. And the answer is massive stone walls. So each part of Dholavira was surrounded with massive stone walls. Next question. Massive stone walls of Dholavira had entrances through Dash. The options are gateways, ladders, moats, canals. Your time to choose. And the answer is gateways. So, massive stone walls of Dholavira had entrances through gateways. Next question. The settlement of Dholavira had dash. The options are a large water tank, a large bath, a small open area, a large open area. Your time to choose. And the answer is a large open area. So, the settlement of Dholavira had a large open area. Question 10. Dash were held in the large open area. The options are religious ceremonies, special ceremonies, public ceremonies, all of the above. Your time to choose. And the answer is public ceremonies. So, public ceremonies were held in the large open area. Next question, 11. Other finds at Dholavira include dash. The options are large letters of Harappan script, a great tank, small letters of Harappan script, Harappan writing on small objects. Your time to choose. And the answer is large letters of Harappan script. So, other finds at Dholavira include large letters of Harappan script. Question 12. Large letters of the Harappan script were carved out of dash. The options are white stone, wood, white stone and perhaps inlaid in wood, limestone and inlaid in tar. Your time to choose. And the answer is white stone and perhaps inlaid in wood. So, large letters of the Harappan script were carved out of white stone and perhaps inlaid in wood. Last question. Generally, Harappan writing has been found on small objects such as dash. The options are pots, seals, coins, toys. Your time to choose. And the answer is seals. So generally, Harappan writing has been found on small objects such as seals. Okay, in this video, we learnt every point in the section A Closer Look Harappan Towns in Gujarat, Dholavira. In the next video, we will learn every point in the section A Closer Look Harappan Towns in Gujarat, Lothal. I'll see you there.